what is something that you feel that needs to be added into the dental world that isn't there yet as far as operating a business?
Oh, there's so many opportunities. I think that one of the things that I think happens in a younger industry with full of entrepreneurs, which is it's very, very exciting, but we go from what I call like whiteboard to like, I have this idea to implement, right? It's like, now go do it. And I did that. So this is not, again, it's not criticizing. It's just, it's the world you live in. You don't know any different. You're like, I don't know if there's steps in between.
Yep.
Right. I think my people are smart. We think that it's a form of like believing in our team. And so I would go from like whiteboard to like, okay, rock and roll, like go. And I had amazing people come back to me and like be truthful about their anxiety level and be truthful about like the chaos that I was creating and not the chaos from the alignment, like the crazy that I was creating.
Messes, right?
And how I wasn't actually leading. I was just whiteboarding, and calling that leadership.
Mm-hmm.
Like, oh, I see the future. I'm amazing, instead of like, yeah, but do you see us too?
Mm-hmm.
I was like, oh, yeah. But this is going to be great because it's going to help you. No, I'm going to sell it. I'm going to sell the whiteboard to implement. That didn't work. So then it was like, well, actually, I'm going to have a process where I can see you and you can see me and we can see like how to come together effectively and really connect the future with the present situation. And how do we merge those two together effectively was an opportunity that I found. And
how'd you do that? Like practically, like what was one thing that someone could do to move in that direction?
So I added in a project manager. And, people are like, well, how did you recruit him? First of all, like it was my nephew. Okay. So this is like grassroots stuff and there's just nothing wrong with that. But he was freshly out of college, just graduated. And I was like, hey, do you want to come be my project manager? He's like, what does that mean? I'm like, I don't know. It just means like, I can just come up with a lot of ideas and I stress out my team and I need somebody to help me not do that. Took his Colby. It was different than mine. I figured, well, that's got to be better than what I got right now. And we began to build that process out. So I think the first step is recognizing that you can't do it by yourself.
Got it.
And I think that's the first step, right?
Yeah.
First step is that you need help.
Yep, absolutely.